Today, we will be installing our heavy-duty decorative 6-inch T-hinges. For today's install, you will need a pencil, a drill, a 5/32 drill bit, a T25 bit, and a level. Start by aligning the top hinge to your gate, making sure the knuckle of the hinge is flush with the edge. Next, clearly mark the 3 holes with a pencil. Pre-drill the marked holes with a 5/32 drill bit, making sure not to drill through the front of the gate. Line up the hole with your hinge and use a T25 bit and the provided hardware to secure the top hinge to your gate. Align the second hinge to the bottom of your gate. Clearly mark with a pencil and pre-drill the holes, again making sure not to go all the way through. Use a T25 bit and the provided hardware to secure the bottom hinge to your gate. Place the gate frame on wood guides to give you your desired ground clearance and center the frame in the opening. Using a level, make sure the gate is level before marking the holes in the top of the gate frame. Pre-drill the marked holes and attach the hinge to the post using a T25 bit and the provided hardware. Move down to the bottom hinge and mark the 3 holes. Pre-drill holes for all 3 pencil marks and secure the hinge using the provided hardware. Remove the wood guide. Congratulations! You have successfully installed our heavy-duty decorative 6-inch T-hinges. Visit nuvoiron.com to learn more.